This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, December 16th, 2019. So they had a call for a lady where she's got a issue with the toilet. She's getting some smell coming from it, and every so often there's water on the floor. So I'm thinking that it's probably the wax, because that's what seals the sewer gas out, is the wax. And if she's got one of them waxes with a funnel built into it, I mean, that could be doing some splashing action. It might be the tank might be leaking. I'll check that good, but probably gonna go over there and pull the toilet, put a new wax on it, check the tank, make sure that's not leaking, and that should probably take care of the lady's problem. We'll do that and let it ride and see if it leaks. It leaks. Should be fine with doing that. We'll try to get you some shots when we get there. Smalley's got a little parka on today. Or a little rain parka. Looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish. Yeah, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It's a cola. It's not shutting off. There's our problem right there. See it running over? There's our problem. We'll have to adjust that down. It's probably running, sweating. If we can adjust this down. It should be down like 3/4 of an inch. We should do a little bit more. See the flapper's okay. Seems alright. It might work. We're down about 3/4 there. He's loose. That's probably what the problem is. Put in the wax. Take them off by hand. No good. There's our problem right there. That should be fine. That's a little tip, soak in hot water if it's cold. It's a little tip, mama. Let it sit for a minute and retighten it. I did have to cut a little bit off. Get the caps to fit.